In this video, we explain how you can download and install MetaTrader Supreme Edition Admiral Markets exclusive MetaTrader plugin. Note that you will need to install MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 in order to use the Supreme Edition plugin. You can see the MetaTrader installation process in our other videos. To get started, visit the Admiral Markets website and click the Platforms tab in the main menu. Then click MetaTrader Supreme Edition. From the MetaTrader Supreme Edition page, you can choose to download the program MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Here, choose the option that's relevant for your installation of MetaTrader. Once you click Download, a zipped folder will download to your computer. If it doesn't, you can also download the program from the Thank You page. Extract the zipped folder and then run the application. An installation window will pop up asking you to choose the copy of MetaTrader where you would like to install the Supreme Edition plugin. If you have more than one installation of MetaTrader, choose the Admiral Markets option and click Install. An alert will pop up warning you that the installation will turn on the Allow DLL Import setting in MetaTrader. Click OK. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart any active copies of MetaTrader for the changes to appear. Open MetaTrader and enter your account details. You will now be able to see the MetaTrader Supreme Edition features in the Navigator window. Simply expand the Indicators item in the menu and you will see a range of new Admiral Markets indicators. You will also be able to find new Admiral Markets Expert Advisors under the Expert Advisors menu. We hope you enjoy all of the additional features that are available with the MetaTrader Supreme Edition. Please feel free to contact us with any questions.